Hey everyone, Jake Sloan, back with another video finally. It's been a long time, I realize that, sorry. Life's been a bit busy, but today I wanted to show you a quick thing about if you have an Insta360 One or 360 camera, GoPro, Loom Cube or anything like that. This little thing, made by PGY Tech, they didn't send me this, I bought this just because I wanted to try it. Is a great addition for your Mavic Pro or Mavic Pro 2. You can basically attach any little thing to it and then you're off and running. Make sure that's all nice and clean on the lenses. The drone is ready to go. So it's real simple. You have your drone, you have this little guy, and it snaps right on just in front of the battery where the battery hooks on. Snaps on, nice and secure, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to take this out, fly it around. If you want to buy it, links are in the description. Helps this channel out, helps me create more content like this. If you want to see the 360 video of this, links in the description and a card will pop up right here. It's a little too rocky to really launch this thing from anywhere, so I'm going to just have to hand launch and hand catch. There you have it. A way to record 360 video on the Mavic Pro. Like I said, links are in the description. It's not very expensive. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty amazing ice cave. It's getting dark. I've got to run or I'll be walking back in the dark. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you again sort of soon in the next video.